Continuing with the exercise 2.3, question number 8. The condition is a manufacturer has 600 liters of 12% solution of acid. How many liters of 30% acid solution must be added to it so that the acid contained in the resulting mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%? The hint is already given in the text underneath the question, but if not, we can still break down the question first by writing down the few given data from the question. That is, first of all, a given volume is given of some solution, that is 600 liters. Then the acid strength is mentioned of this particular solution that is already there, that is 12%. Now, the amount of pure acid existing in this particular solution would be equals to 12% of what? Of 600, right? So 12% of 600, that would be 72 liters. Now, we are adding some 30% acid solution and we do not know how much it is. So whatever the unknown quantity is, we'll be taking it as X. That is, let the volume of 30% acid solution to be added, we'll take it as X liters. Therefore, the amount of pure acid in the added solution that is 30% of X, this would be 0.3 X liter. They are saying that it is to be added in the resulting mixture will be more than 15 but less than 80. So the total volume of what we are having total volume of resulting mixture is equals to 620 plus X liters, and if we are only taking about the pure acid content, that would be total pure acid in the mixture would be 72 plus 0.30 X liters. Now we need a inequality or a inequation to formulate the compound based on the constraints. So it's saying 15% of 600 plus X less than the total acid less than 18% of 600 plus X. So if we solve this inequality, we'll be getting the answer. So 15%, 15 into 600 plus X whole divided by 100 less than 72 plus 0.30 of X less than 18 upon 100 into 600 plus X. So if we solve this particular inequality, we'll be getting the result. Let's first focus on the left hand side, that is, we can write this as 0.15 into 600 plus X less than 72 plus 0.3X. We'll first solve this much and then continue with the rest. 0.15 into 600 will get 90 plus 0.15x less than 72 plus 0.3x. 90 minus 7, 2 on one side, and 0.15x minus 0.3x less than 72 minus 90. We'll be getting minus 0.15x less than minus 18. We'll be dividing by minus 0.15. We'll get x is greater than 18 upon 0.15. So this would be x is greater than 120. Now let's continue for the second half. 72 plus 0.3x is less than 0.18 of 600 plus x. So this is 72 plus 0.30x. 0.18 into 600 becomes 108. Now 0.30 minus 0.18, we'll have 0.12x. 108 minus 72, we have 36. So x is less than 36 upon 0.12. So x would be less than 300. That is, the manufacturer must add more than 120 liters but less than 300 liters of 30% acid solution. In mathematical terms, we can write it in the ascending form as 120 less than x less than 300, or x belongs to 120 comma 300. That's the answer.